Hey, I'm Nick with Bahama Air. And the thing I really like about Tropic's product, Ruud here, is they put a composite tray on their condensers. And what's great about that is we live in a coastal community where corrosion is prevalent. And what makes it a big difference is that on the roofs, on some of these places, they rust out the bottom. There goes the compressor. There goes your efficiency. You're done. So this makes a big difference in the way we maintain these systems. You with me? The thing I really like about Tropic is every time I walk in that supply house, I feel like I belong there. I feel like I'm part of the family. And when I see the drivers on the road, they wave at me. Another great thing about these Ruud systems is the width of these cabinets. There aren't many systems around here or units that can fit in a space like this. If it didn't fit and I couldn't get it in, I might have to Tropic like it's hot. I really appreciate as a contractor having the opportunity to participate in events like this. Thanks, Tropic.